If you've ever clicked a Telegram invite link and seen that it's expired, you may be wondering if there's any way to still join. In this video, I'm going to answer that question clearly and show you what you can do instead. If this helps you out, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more quick Telegram tutorials. Let's get into it. The short answer is no, you cannot bypass or force open an expired Telegram invite link. Telegram invite links are controlled by the group or channel administrators, and once that link expires, it stops working on Telegram's servers. That means the app is not just hiding the link from you on your phone or computer, the link itself is no longer valid, so there is nothing to unlock or override on your end. A lot of people try different tricks when they see an expired invite link. But those methods won't work because this is a server-side security feature. In simple terms, the expiration is enforced by Telegram itself, not by your device. So whether you're using Android, iPhone, or desktop, the result is the same. If the link is expired, Telegram will reject it. What can you do instead? The first thing is to ask the group owner or channel admin for a new invite link. In most cases, that is the fastest solution. The admin can generate a fresh link and share it with you, and then you can join normally. Another option is to check whether the group or channel has a public username. If it does, you may be able to search for it directly inside Telegram and join without needing a private invite link. Public groups and channels often use a username that you can type into Telegram's search bar. You can also look for the invite link in another place where the admin may have shared it, such as a website, social page, pinned post, or email message. Sometimes the original link expires, but a newer one has already been posted elsewhere. If you're trying to join a private group though, the only real solution is to get a valid invite from someone who has access. Telegram does not provide a way for users to recover or reopen an expired invite link themselves. So if your link says expired, that's the final answer from Telegram. You cannot bypass it, and there is no safe or legitimate workaround. The best move is simply to request a new link from the administrator or find an official updated invite. If you want more simple Telegram tips like this, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.